This is the unboxing of a new Podmic from Rode, so excited about this.
Welcome to the best business show in the world.
Hopefully going to improve my recording skills. Who knows? But hi, welcome everyone. We're going to be doing this one today, the Podmic. I'm not a techie person, so don't expect any techie things. But this, I'm waiting for a Rodecaster Pro, and this seems to be a good mix with it. So I just want to see what's in the box. So let's have a look on here. So very nice. Slide out, 2-year warranty. Okay. Inner sleeve. Then what have we got? There we go. There we go. All right. All right. So there you go. Little love your Podmic. Share with us. Hashtag Rode Mic. Scan the QR code to find out more. And what is it? This is your quick start guide. Very nice too. Hopefully you can see that. There we go. Looks very easy. And this is what will be coming soon. This looks like an image of the Rodecaster Pro. So that'll be great. Okay. Let's have a look. Dun, 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 dun. Very nice bit of packaging there. Always impressed with how people can design cardboard. And there it is. There it is. We are looking at this. Now it is, oh, it's quite chunky. It's quite chunky. And let's just have a look first of all. So yeah, you've got the marks where it's been in the cardboard dustiness on here. There's your XLR cable, and you can see the screw thread there, various sizes on that. So that's good. The made in Australia. Yeah, so it's a good heavy weight, is that. I'm thinking that my arms that I'm going to fit it to are going to be yeah, struggling with the weight of that. So I've got various things. You've obviously got your silica gel, and that, my friends, is it. So never mind a quick start guide. That's the only guide you've got. I'll just leave that there a sec. Unless, I guess, you scan that QR code to find out more, and you will get the full guide. But there it is. Let's just swap over here. There it is. There's your Rode Podmic dynamic podcasting microphone. So I shall try and rig it up now and see what the sound is like. But that's going to happen in part 2 of this video when I get the Rodecaster Pro. So on the hottest day of the year so far, there we go. That's the end of this short one about the Podmic. It looks really good, feels a very weighty item, and I can't wait to get going, couple it up with the Rodecaster Pro and let you know what the sound's like. Just before I go, if you've enjoyed it, just ding that bell, smash that like, click that subscribe, whatever the symbols are and however you do it, because I don't want you to miss out when the Rodecaster Pro comes in, and then we can hear what a difference it is. Because at the moment, let me just see if I can swap this around, see if I can tweak it, and let me show you what I've got on at the moment. So on the webcam, can you see there? I have got a little Rode mic on here with a little fluffy cover on it, and that is coming at me as a directional shotgun mic type thing, and there we go. So we're going to be comparing that Rode mic with this Rode Podmic, okay, and we'll see what happens when we do that. So join me next time. Don't forget, click subscribe, ring the notification bell so that do you tickle it? Do you tickle that bell? I can't remember. Tickle the bell, smash this, hit that, do that, and we'll see what happens next time around. And I don't know why I keep looking at the mic as if that's the camera. It's not. There's the camera. See you soon. Thanks for joining me. Bye.